Gita chapter 4, verse 1. Sri Krishna said, I instructed this imperishable science of yoga, that is knowledge, to the sun god Vivasvan, and Vivasvan taught it to his son Manu, the father of mankind, and Manu in turn told it to his son Ikshveku. Gita chapter 4, verse 2. O Parantap, thus handed on from one to another, the royal sages knew it till that yoga was lost to the world, though long lapse of time. Sri Krishna explained it to Arjun that yoga was there till the time eternal, but it was lost in between when he taught it to many sages. Gita chapter 4, verse 3. The same age-old ancient yoga, which is indeed the supreme secret, I have today taught to you because you are my devotee and my friend. Gita chapter 4, verse 4. After listening these wise words from Sri Krishna, Arjun said, later was your birth, and prior was the birth of Vivasvan. How am I to understand that you taught this yoga in the beginning of time? Arjuna just asking these questions to Sri Krishna. Although he is aware about he is almighty, asking these questions that how can this thing be prevail, what the Sri Krishna explained it to him in earlier verses. Gita chapter 4, verse 5. Sri Krishna said, O Arjuna, many words of mine have passed as well as yours. O Parantap, I know them all, but you don't remember them. Gita chapter 4, verse 6. Sri Krishna continued with his wise words. Said to Arjuna, although I am worthless, imperishable, and immutable, and the Lord of all living beings, subduing my nature, I appear in this world in my original transcendental form of my Maya. And here Maya means divine potency, power of creations. Sri Krishna explained it to Arjuna that whatever things is happening with his thought, his desires only, from one age to another age. Gita chapter 4, verse 7. O Bharat, whenever there is the degradation of religion and decline of righteousness, that is dharma, and surge in irreligion and rise of unrighteousness, that is adharma, at that time I manifest myself on this planet. Gita chapter 4, verse 8. For the protections of the good and the pious and the society, for the destructions of the wicked and for the establishment of dharma, manifest myself era after era. And that is what Krishna has said to the Arjun, that whatever things is happening due to his desire only. Gita chapter 4, verse 9. My birth and my actions are divine. He who knows this in very essence, on leaving the body is not reborn. He comes to me, O Arjuna. Once you leave the body, the Atma doesn't get that body. First he has to go to the Almighty, and taking the permission from that, then only the rebirth is possible. Gita chapter 4, verse 10. Freed from attachment, fear and anger, fully absorbed in me, taking refuge in me, purified by the austerity of wisdom, knowledge and meditations, many have attained union with my being only. So once you get there and there is no permission from the Almighty, you didn't require to take the rebirth on this planet. So surrender to the Atma is surrendering to the Paramatma.